Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw BNB from Trust Wallet to a bank account. It's quite easy. All you need to do is simply locate your BNB, and you can do this by simply using the toggle at the top right corner of the screen. So once you've selected this toggle, simply search for the BNB, and depending on the BNB you wish to send, whether it's the BNB Beacon Chain or the BNB Smart Chain, if we're working with the BNB Smart Chain, select the BNB Smart Chain. Once you've done this, take note of your balance and simply click on the more icon and click on the sell option. By clicking on this sell option, we're going to be using a global provider known as ramp, and then you simply enter the amount of BNB you have. So let's say you've got 0.5 or 0.2 or whatever you have. All you need to do now is simply enter this amount and proceed to click on the continue option, and then you'll be taken to a window where you can simply trade in your BNB for some fiat, and that fiat could happen to be your local currency. So if you're trading in BNB for the dollar, you need to put in the amount of BNB you wish to trade in for the dollar. If it's for the euro, it's the same. Pounds, it's the same. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how you can withdraw your BNB from Trust Wallet to a bank account, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.